Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the auto scroll on Instagram Reels step by step. Now this feature allows Reels to automatically move to the next video without you needing to swipe manually. So here is how you can do it. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application on your phone. And once you have opened it, make sure that you log in your account if you haven't already. Over here, tap on the Reels icon here in the bottom. Once the Reels start to play in front of you, you just have to tap and hold on the screen, and you can also tap on the three dots in the bottom right hand corner of the screen in order to open the additional options. Now among the given options, you just have to look for the option of auto scroll. So this is the option that allows Instagram to automatically move to the next reel. So when you are able to find the auto scroll option over here, simply turn the toggle button on right next to it. As soon as you do this, Instagram will automatically scroll to the next reel after the current one finishes. So if you want to basically disable this feature later, you can open the same menu and then you can turn it off. Now if you are not able to find this option over here in your device, you just have to basically first of all update your Instagram application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then still if you are not able to find it, it simply means that currently it is not available for the Android device. So you can basically look for it in the iOS device if you have it. And if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.